Have you ever pondered the nature of a ketogenic meal? What it is, what it consists of, and why it seems to be all the rage these days? Well, you're about to find out. A ketogenic meal, in essence, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that's been praised for its numerous health benefits. It's not just a fad, it's a scientifically backed approach to nutrition that's been around for decades. The principle behind a ketogenic diet is quite simple. Normally, your body uses carbohydrates as its primary source of energy. But when you drastically reduce your intake of carbs and replace them with fats, your body enters a metabolic state known as ketosis. In this state, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy for the brain. So why should you care about this? Well, the benefits are manifold. Firstly, a ketogenic diet can help with weight loss. By shifting your body's metabolism towards fats and away from carbs, you naturally lose weight. You feel full most of the time, thanks to the high-fat content which curbs overeating. But that's not all. Research shows that a ketogenic diet can lead to a significant reduction in blood sugar and insulin levels. This has important health implications, particularly for people with diabetes or pre-diabetes conditions. Moreover, the ketogenic diet may also have benefits against many serious diseases. These include heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, and various neurological disorders. Now, you might be wondering about what a typical ketogenic meal looks like. It generally includes plenty of meats, eggs, cheese, fish, nuts, butter, oils, seeds, and fibrous vegetables. It avoids carb-heavy foods like grains, sugars, legumes, rice, potatoes, candy, juice, and even most fruits. It's important to note that a ketogenic diet isn't suitable for everyone. There are potential side effects, and it may worsen certain health conditions. Always consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on a new diet regimen. Now that you know what a ketogenic meal is and its potential benefits, how about giving it a try? If you're intrigued by the possibility of losing weight or improving your health with a ketogenic diet, check the link in the video description for a free keto meal plan. It's a great way to dip your toes into the world of ketogenic meals without any commitments. And while you're here, why not hit that subscribe button? This channel is a treasure trove of tips, insights, and advice on a variety of health and wellness topics. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, your health is in your hands. Make the most of it. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.